Oh my goodness, so we're at WWDC and behind me is the new Vision Pro. I can't believe it. Like, it's here. Check it out. This is the battery pack that connects to the headset, and this will give you about 2 hours, but there is a USB-C port on it that will allow you to connect it to power so you can use it all day without worry. The actual headset material is very soft and it really does form to your head. The material is super lightweight, but the actual headset does have some weight to it. So I'm not sure if this is something that I could wear all day long, but a few hours here and there with some breaks, I definitely could see myself doing that. On top of the Vision Pro are 2 buttons, and this is the digital crown, which kind of looks like the digital crown on the Apple Watch. What sets this apart from other devices like it is the eye tracking and the selection. There are no controllers, there's nothing attached to you. Because of the sensors here on the bottom, you could have your hands easily resting in your lap, and with a slight pinch motion of your 2 fingers, that's how you make a selection. The actual viewing experience when this is on your head is unbelievable. The way that this can seamlessly take you from one incredible, fully immersed world back into an augmented reality of you sitting in your living room is pretty impressive. Sitting there and having my entire Apple ecosystem appear before my eyes in my space in a virtual reality setting was unlike anything that I'd really ever experienced before. Going into messages, going through photos, watching 3D movies, and then getting up off of the couch and interacting with a dinosaur that just broke through my wall. It really felt like I was transported to another world. Now, the price tag of this Vision Pro is $3,500, which is pretty expensive. It's not just a headset. Apple is calling it a spatial computer. It's not connected to anything separate. Everything is happening inside of the headset. It's powered by a dual chip design that combines an M2 chip with a brand new R1 chip. And the R1 is basically designed to handle all of this real-time sensor processing. While I don't think that everyone in the world is going to be going out and purchasing this headset right now, this is laying the groundwork for developers and content creators to start making content for this device. Having this be announced at WWDC is also giving developers the entire freedom to let their imaginations go wild. Having the support of Disney Plus on day 1 of launch is also really incredible. Disney has such an amazing catalog of content, plus Star Wars, Marvel, and more. All of this is leading to future devices that can be more cost-effective, small, better battery life, and who knows what else. This, my friends, is just the beginning.